and welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut and I'm here in Zirakpur, about 40 minutes away from the new PCA Stadium, where we saw a cracker of a match last night. Royal Challengers Bengaluru completely decimating Punjab Kings in their own home. But this video is about the fans, the heartbeat of the IPL, the people who keep the tournament alive and have kept it alive for the past 18 years. But before I get to that, before I get to talking about the incredible people that I've met, how much love people pour in for this tournament, for their idols, for the franchises, the teams they love, I want to talk about the weather, because contrasting to what we have seen in the past couple of days, it was blazing sun, blazing heat, and temperatures close to 41 degrees. But this time around, today it's different. It's actually overcast outside and there's a nice breeze blowing. So it's different from what we have seen in the past couple of days. And I'm going to give you periodical updates, because if there are chances of rain, closer to the match, I will get on a live and tell you guys what the weather looks like. But coming back to the fans, you know, since the very inception of this tournament, it is the fans that have kept this league alive. When this started, when IPL started, it was an idea, it was a concept that India had never seen before. Doesn't even matter what sport we're talking about. A franchise league was something India had never seen before. And the only thing that kept this tournament alive was the fans. Now, when we talk about throughout this season, it's been an incredible journey. I have met so many incredible people, starting with, of course, the super fans. Now, when we talk about a Sugumar or an Ashok who every single match they travel to throughout the IPL season, they wear their costumes, they wear their headgears, they spend around an hour getting ready, painting their faces, painting their bodies. This is the kind of dedication you do not see anywhere else. It's a madness that is contained in India, and we are the lucky ones to get to see it. And when we talk about the other fans as well, like last night, Punjab Kings, it's not necessarily a franchise that has a huge following, that has had historically never a huge fan following, or never had, never was a legacy team who brought in huge crowds or fans, completely thronged the stadiums to see the franchise. But yesterday was different. For the first time in this IPL season, the thing is, every time RCB goes and plays an away game, it always is the case that RCB fans are always more in number than the home team, than the local team. But yesterday was different. Yesterday, for the first time in this season that I have seen, that I have witnessed, RCB fans were in the minority, and Punjab Kings fan really brought the energy. And we at Rev Sports have been traveling throughout India during this IPL season, capturing stories, capturing beautiful visuals and beautiful stories. People who travel from kilometers away, thousands of kilometers away, travel cities, hop from one city to another, one stadium to another, just to get a glimpse of their idols, just to get a glimpse of a Virat Kohli or a Rohit Sharma, or even an MS Dhoni. Every single time when we talk about Chennai Super Kings or an MS Dhoni, people come out in huge numbers just because they think that they're going to be seeing MS Dhoni for the last time. There is an enigma when it comes to these idols, when it comes to these heroes, and nothing beats India. Nothing beats the Indian crowd, and it has been a special ride. We are entering the business end of the IPL. RCB is already in the finals, and we know that Ahmedabad is going to be completely filled with RCB fans. Doesn't matter who the other franchise is, but as we enter the final stage of the IPL, it is a reminder for all of us that it is the fans that are the heartbeat of this tournament.
पाए करा हर जीत से करा हर जीत में करा एक कोलकाता से अभी বসে গেল
তোমরা কোথেকে বিভিন্ন জায়গা থেকে আসো বিভিন্ন তোমাদের কি
हमारे साथ तनीषा है इस वक्त पर विजयवाड़ा से आई हैं और बिग आरसीबी एंड विराट कोहली फैन उनकी
Yes.
सर पे पहनी हुई टोपी हमें ये बता रही है यहाँ आना सक्सेसफुल हुआ पैसे खर्च कराने
101% सक्सेसफुल हुआ। विराट ने मेरे को देखा, एक झलक उसकी दिखी तो काफी है, बस और कुछ नहीं है। मैंने मैच पे कंसंट्रेट बिल्कुल नहीं किया बिकॉज आई वाज कंटिन्यूअसली स्टेयरिंग विराट, दैट्स इट।
अच्छा माहौल कैसा लगा मतलब कि एक तो
द
2008
वाइब इज क्रेजी, जो लाइव में दिखता है और जो अपन घर बैठ के देखते हैं टोटली डिफरेंट है।
मतलब जब हूटिंग हो रही थी चैंटिंग्स हो रही थी आरसीबी सीएसके से ऊपर हो रहा था
मेरे ईयर ड्रम्स पूरे ब्लास्ट हो चुके, आई स्वेयर।
और पूरा माहौल कैसा लगा क्या कभी ऐसा कुछ जिया है लिव किया है इस तरह का माहौल
दिस इज द फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट टाइम आई फील मैंने ऐसा कभी मोमेंट फील किया है खुद के लिए, और बस हो गया अब और नहीं।
बहुत सारे फैंस हैं। आप कहाँ से आए हुए हैं आप लोग? आगरा से आप आए हुए हो सिर्फ मेन अट्रैक्शन विराट कोहली और एंड आफ्टर उनका रिटायरमेंट लास्ट मैच यहाँ पे हुआ था आरसीबी वर्सेस एसआरएच, जो कि टेक्निकली एक अवे गेम था बट था यहाँ पे, मतलब होम गेम था बट था यहाँ पे। इस मैच को कैसे देखते हो? आज लखनऊ एक ऐसी टीम जो कि जिसके पास पाने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, न खोने के लिए कुछ है। क्या कैसे मैच के आप सिचुएशन को देखते हो?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आरसीबी ही जीतेगी।
विराट कोहली
हाँ,
ओनली विराट कोहली।
क्या लगता है आज कितने रन से जीतेगी?
अब देखो, अब तो ये देख के पता पड़ेगा, अभी तो आप बता नहीं सकते मेरे से।
25 से 30 रन।
अच्छा ये बताओ, आप लोग लास्ट मैच जो रीशेड्यूल हो गया था 9 मई को, आपने उसकी टिकट ली थी कि आपने अभी
टिकट ली थी यार,
कैंसिल हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं।
हाँ, तो तब क्या आप आए थे लखनऊ?
चले गए, लेकिन फिर से देखना था मैच, इसलिए वापस भी आए।
हाँ, तो वो कितनी परेशानी थी उसके बारे में?
काफी सारी परेशानी, लेकिन विराट भाई के लिए सब कुछ।
हाँ,
आरसीबी
फिर कब से प्लान किया था आप लोगों ने
उसी दिन से विराट भाई का
कि आना है, इधर आना है, इधर आना है, मैच देखना है? और क्या लगता है कितने रन से आज या कितने विकेट से आज आरसीबी जीत सकती है?
1 महीने से प्लान था 20 रन आके मैच देखना है।
तो आज टॉप 2 में जाने वाली है आरसीबी।
और टू में राइट जीतेगी और फाइनल भी।
विराट कोहली के लिए बनाया आपने? विराट कोहली के लिए बनाए? कहाँ से हो आप? तो आप आर्ट्स बनाते हो? अच्छा, तो बनारस से इतनी दूर क्या मतलब आज क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपकी टीम से?
नेपाल से आरसीबी के लिए
क्या लगता है आज
क्या जीतेंगे भाई, जीतेंगे। क्या लगता है
विराट
नंबर 1 पे फिनिश करेंगे नहीं 2 पे?
कितना रन मार सकता है विराट कोहली?
विराट भाई आज 170-80 जैसे भी लगाएगा विराट भाई, 70-80 लगाएगा।
It's purely dominating by RCB. It's a one-sided, easy winning game for RCB, and it's going to happen one more time in Chinnaswamy also. Don't miss the game also. We are waiting for another rocking performance from our team.
What about Rajat Patidar?
What a man! He's rocking. Absolute pure drama.
And Virat Kohli with the captaincy means he was running down to each and every one.
Yeah. He giving advices in the whole the match for
Virat Kohli is a right hand for
only. For Rajat Patidar captainship, all credits goes to not for Virat Kohli only. It's fully for the team performance only. Purely team performance. We made it, we done it, we dusted it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.
So the experience was amazing. 2008 Kapro, we are winning at Chepauk. This is a very, very huge thing for us because I am from Chennai and Chepauk means a lot to me. So in that RCB win panadhu romba romba sandosham. And I think overall the entire team performed, both the bowling and batting side. I think our bowling looks exceptional this year. So I'm very, very hopeful that in the varsham RCB da win panona. And our periya Dhoni fan. So our vande 3-6-4 adichadu or stumping panadhu. Just to see both Virat and Dhoni together, that is just like so magical, so amazing. I think I just love IPL and I'm a huge fan from 2013. I support RCB and I really want them to win this year. It's just too much to take.
There was a lot of chat that last time RCB beat CSK in 2008. I was in class 10th at that point of time.
Okay.
Can you talk about yourself?
I think 2008, that was the very first year. Sonal, it was just like IPL was a very new thing. In fact, I was a purist at that time. I was a huge Sachin fan because I'm a 90s kid. And I was like, what is happening? And so I didn't pay much attention. I became a RCB fan from 2013 now. So, yeah, I mean, after so many years we are beating, it's like Chepak is such a big deal. It's a big prestige. So I'm very happy. Yes.
Last word on Rajat Patidar, the captaincy, the batter.
Amazing captaincy.
Sorry, really sorry.
So I think Rajat Patidar did an amazing job because the choice of bowlers and our captaincy was really, really good. How Krunal Pandya came last and those bouncers and amazing. I think now it's good because koncham Virat Kohli captaincy irundade. I saw him getting help from him. So I think they make a very, very good deadly combination.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.